Hello students, let us solve this question. This question is from mechanical properties of solids. So first of all, read what the question is saying. So the question says the stress strain curve graph for two materials are shown. So the stress strain graph for two material 1 and material 2 are given here. So we have to choose the correct option here. Material 2 is more elastic material, hence material 1 is more brittle. Material 1 and 2 have same elasticity and same brittleness. Material 2 is elastic over a larger region for strain as compared to 1. Material 2 is less brittle than material 1. So these are the options and we have to choose the correct option from the given graph. So the two graphs are given here. Stress strain curve are given for material 1 and this curve is stress strain curve for material 2. So here we can see that the yield point for highest load point and this is the fracture point. So the distance between yield point and fracture point is larger as compared to this distance. In graph 2, the yield point and fracture point is very close to each other, and in this graph the yield point and fracture point are not very close as compared to this graph. So this graph is clearly the representation of the brittle material. In brittle material, yield point and breaking fracture point and yield point are very close. So the material 2 must be brittle material. Material 2 must be brittle. Then material 1. Okay, so now we can check which option is correct. 1. So let us check the options one by one. In first option given, material 2 is more elastic than material 1 and material 2 is more brittle. So in this graph you can see that the elastic limit, this is the elastic limit. So elastic limit for material 2 is greater than the elastic limit of material 1. So this material 2 is more elastic than material 1, but the fracture point is very close to the yield point. So this material is also brittle and more elastic. So this option could be the correct option. So let us check the other also. Material 1 and 2 have the same elasticity and same brittleness. No, this option is not correct because these two distance is not same for the two graph. So brittleness of the two material is not same. Material 2 is elastic over a larger region of material 1 as compared to 1. So this option is partially correct as material 2 has a larger elastic limit than material 1. But material 2 is also brittle, so this option will not correct. Material 2 is less brittle than material 1. This option is obviously not correct. So material 2 is elastic for a larger region, but it is also brittle. Okay, so material 2 is more elastic than material 1, hence material is more brittle. Option first is the correct answer. Hope you found the solution understandable. Thank you.